Before getting AdSense approval for my blogger site, I got rejected not once, not twice, not even 3 times, but 5 times over the course of almost a year. The main reasons for rejection included low value content and site behavior, specifically navigation issues. Each time, AdSense kindly notified me that your site isn't ready to show ads, and it took me quite some time to figure out the generic suggestions that they provided. I'm going to share with you everything I learned during this process to help you get AdSense approval for your Blogger website. Blogger is one of the few platforms where literally anyone in the world can make money online without paying for a domain name or hosting, because this blogging platform is and always has been 100% free. I created my blog at beerable.blogspot.com back in September 2021. This website is where I simply blog about beer. With just 7 blog posts on my website, I went into the earnings tab to create an AdSense account and proceeded to request a review of my blog for AdSense approval. Just 5 days later, I got my first AdSense rejection email, which explained that my site had low value content. Unfortunately, the linked articles didn't explain what low value content is, but my research told me that 7 blog posts probably wasn't enough content, so I wrote 3 more blog posts, added an About Me page as well as a brewery tour page for a total of 12 pages on my website, not including the homepage. I then reapplied for AdSense, and 4 days later, I got a very similar rejection email regarding low value content. Over the next few months, as time permitted, I wrote 3 more blog posts, bringing the total number of pages on my website up to 15. I then reapplied for AdSense, and another 15 days passed before I got my next rejection email from AdSense, but this time it was different. The explanation for my site not being able to show ads was due to site behavior navigation. One of the suggestions here says linking to content that does not exist. Because my site had a bunch of external links, I ran a broken link checker, which I have a full video tutorial on, and I fixed all of my broken links. At this point, I was convinced that I had enough high-value content on my blog, and since all my links were fixed, there should be no reason to get rejected from AdSense again. So I reapplied, and this time 19 days passed before I got the same exact rejection message about site behavior navigation. I ran a more comprehensive scan of my website and found a few more broken links, reapplied, and 15 days later was rejected with the same reasoning. This time I did some Googling and found one tip on one particular website that jumped out at me. Right here on Sofan Max's blogger site, it says at the very top, if your blog doesn't have main menu navigation, then you should create one. My blogger site indeed did not have a navigation menu, and it never even crossed my mind that I needed one because the default blogger theme that I'm using is called Contempo, and this theme does not have a navigation menu out of the box. Thinking back to the reason that I was getting rejected from AdSense, specifically site behavior navigation, this might just be what I need for approval. So I went into my website's layout and added a navigation menu, which is actually called Page List Top, with links to the homepage, my About page, and my brewery tour page. I requested my 6th review for AdSense approval, and 16 days later, I finally got an email from Google stating, your site is now ready to show AdSense ads. Over in AdSense, I turned on auto ads, and within minutes, my website was showing advertisements. To summarize what I learned here, in order to get AdSense approval, you'll need at least 15 pages on your website with unique, valuable content. I have pages on my website with word counts between 200 and 4,400 words, and the average page has over 1,000 words of content. Additionally, make sure it's easy for your visitors to navigate your website on both desktop and mobile. I'm sure there are other factors, but these tips should go a long way to help you monetize your website. After you subscribe, check out this video next to see how much money I earn with AdSense on another one of my blogs.